Standing atop the shattered statue of an Imperial Saint, Chapter Master Severax watched the Third Company enact his battle plan to perfection. Piece by piece, they were taking apart the Tau army in the wasteland below. It was a lesson in grim efficiency Severax had employed a dozen times before. Occasionally, he voxed a curt instruction to the officers, or darted forward to cut a battlesuit in two with his lightning-wreathed talons, but by and large, the Chapter Master was content to watch the carnage unfold. As his men put the last few Tau down with pitiless execution shots, Severax found frustration building within him. His grand strategy was unfolding to deadly effect, as it had on 100 worlds before, but Commander Shadowsun had still not shown herself. He almost felt a shadow of respect for her stealthcraft. For all their bluster, the swift riders of the White Scars were expert hunters, and evading them on 3 consecutive planets was no mean feat. Keeping from the gaze of the Raven Guard was more impressive still. Severax tilted his head back as he thought of the cold vengeance to come. He could wait. In the end, she would be broken and slain, just as her armies would be slain in their turn. A single tick of sound echoed in Severax's helmet. He triggered the Vox, a fierce grin slowly spreading across his features. It was the first time he had smiled in 6 weeks. "Lord Severax, we have visual on the Xenos Commander. Accompanying drones and honor markings match Agrellan and Voltoris pick captures. It's her, my lord." Severax triggered his jump pack, leapt high, and soared into the skies. Corvin Severax served as a chapter master of the Raven Guard during the 41st millennium. An enigmatic master of shadows, rarely seen by even his own peers of the chapter. This silent predator struck down many a foe with surgical precision, as only red mist remained of his lightning strikes as he slinked back into the shadows. A shrewd tactician, knowing when to withdraw his forces to better redeploy and strike again. During the Tau assault of the Lefesh sector, entire swathes of the populace were saved by Severax's decisive actions. The Tau general, Commander Shadowsun, laying waste to each hive city, devising different strategies to bring each to their ruin. Corvin attempted to defend Gorva's Hive alongside the White Scars, Cadian 724th, and Catachan Jungle Fighters, as Tau assault carders harried the defenders. The arrival of Riptide Wing battlesuits driving the Astartes back, Shadowsun fell for Corvin's trap as the Freeblade, the Obsidian Knight, joined the fray, laying low the Riptides after months of planning to locate and bring the Tau killer to Agrellan. Withdrawing Imperial forces to the nearby Nightworld of Voltoris to seek aid from House Terran. Despite their efforts, Agrellan would be captured by the Tau, renaming their prize as Mugalaf Bay. Severax seeking to end the campaign via a targeted strike to capture the ethereal Aun Do. Despite reinforcement of 8 Space Marine chapters, the Raven Guard's Talon Strike Force commanded by Captain Kayvon Shrike failed to identify a single exploitable vulnerability within the Tau lines. Corvin deploying personally to the world of Prefecture to command his men in efforts to hunt down Commander Shadowsun. Uncharacteristically, Severax's tried and true methods failed to bring Shadowsun to heel. Deploying alongside his veterans, 3rd Company and 10th Company scouts within the Denashai Strait east of the Aquilon riverbed, the 2 Supreme Commanders dueled as Corvin evaded twin fusion beams, revealing Shadowsun's location. Carving through Shadowsun's forearm, destroying the fusion blaster held in her grasp, Severax cut her battlesuit to ribbons with his talons, realizing his target to be an imposter the moment his body was severed by the waist by a blast of searing light. Outmaneuvered by the disciple of Commander Puretide, both in terms of cunning and stealth. With the fall of Corvin Severax, his chapter would endure years of turmoil until a true inheritor worthy of his pedigree would replace his position as the Master of Shadows.